Hi, good morning. It's me, Fermin again, CEO and co-founder of Maivo Unlimited Inc. So, ngayong araw po, ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano po kayo mag-place ng order niyo doon sa dashboard sales page po ninyo. So, with this, ang una po natin gagawin is we need to log into our website. No? So, dito po sa website bar natin, i-type nyo po yung maivounlimited.com. No? So, pag tinap nyo po yan, ito po yung front page ng website natin. So, sa upper right ng website natin, merong members login button. No? So, click nyo po ito. Pag click niyo, lalabas po yung ating login page. No? So, i-type nyo lang po yung inyong distributor IBO number, user's ID number, and your password. No? So, pag na-type nyo po yon, click login. No? Pag click nyo po ng login, dadalhin niya po kayo dun sa ating sales page or dashboard. So, ito yung home page, ito yung front page or home page ng dashboard natin. So, mapapansin nyo po rito na nandito nakalagay yung products natin, no? So, mapapansin nyo rin na merong 8 button icon dito sa dashboard natin. Home, may profile, may community, may commissions, may e-bank, yung order status ninyo, settings, at saka yung number of prospects ninyo. And also, you will also notice na dito sa left side of your dashboard, mapapansin po ninyo yung inyong current rank sa quick start bonus. So, in this case, ang rank po niya is diamond, no? Mapapansin nyo rin, nandito nakalagay yung personal qualifying volume or PQB. Ito yung product na binili niya, which is a total of $201, no? So, dito, ituturo natin kung paano kayo magpi-place ng order nyo. So, kunyari, gusto nyong bumili ng Celevo, no? 2 bottles, click nyo lang. Tapos, add to sales order. Click nyo po yung sales order button. And this page, no? Sa sales order page ninyo, lalabas yung quantity, 2, no? Tapos, nandyan yung processing fee. So, nandito yung total na binili ninyo. So, you have $70. Inclusive plus VAT rather, no? So a total of 78. Yung processing fee niyo na 2.08, a total of 80.48. Tapos mapapansin niyo rin na may option kayo kung gusto niyo ipa-deliver or kung gusto ninyong pick upin na lang, no? Let's say gusto niyo ipa-deliver, click the button delivered. So mapapansin niyo kung Metro Manila, ang charge niya lang is $1.23. Kung province po siya, that's 2.07, no? So in my case, I was being charged a province rate, no? So click nyo po confirm order. Yung confirm order page natin, mapapansin po ninyo na nakalagay na po rito, no? Yung total amount nung binibili natin converted into peso, which is 3,922.08, no? So mapapansin nyo rin na yung binili ko is request for delivery, no? Dahil sa Rizal ako nakatira, so outside NCR, outside Manila po ito. Click dito po yung agree policy natin. Tapos mapapansin nyo rin na kung meron kayong commission or e-bank, no? Pwede nyo rin i-click ito para magamit nyo po yung inyong commissions. Like ito po, no, meron siyang $143.06, or pwede rin kayong pili for cash payment options. Pwede rin po yun to use other payment facilities. But let's say malayo ka, no, at gusto mong bayaran through payment facilities, place order, no? Tapos lalabas dito yung platform natin for payment facilities. Ito po yung amount at pipili po kayo, no? So we have many options like online banking. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 major banks, no, where you can pay online. So kung gusto niyo online at wala nang masyadong hassle, you have an account, So all you got to do is click choose your banks, then follow the instruction. It's quite simple. If you want over the counter through those banks, no, we have 14 major banks where you can go and pay over the counter. Kung gusto nyo rin naman na mga bayad centers, Cebuana Luir, yung mga facilities natin, pwede rin po, or GCash. So let's say gusto natin LBC, no? So click lang natin LBC. So agree, click agree, yung button na yon, then select. So lalabas na dito yung reference number mo. Ito yung reference number mo, ito yung halaga na babayaran mo. So sa email mo, send ang platform natin will send instructions back to your email, no? So you can actually retrieve these instructions. But if you want also on this button, view this instruction online, click this button, then they'll show you kung ano yung instructions na yun. So these are the same instructions emailed to you, no, by our platform. So dito mapapansin niyo nandito yung very simple instructions. You go to LBC, Bayad Centers, then biller's name. All you have to do is to type this name and then yung reference number mo. So ganun lang po kadali, no? It's quite simple to place an order. I hope this simple instruction would really help you in terms of placing your order online. Thank you.